Good morning, Mom. I have a doubt. Last night I was thinking very much about action words. What was that?
Good morning, baby. Thinking. That is also an action verb. Yes. Thinking. Whatever we do in our day-to-day life is action verbs, or we also call doing words. In our 24 hours a day we do lot of things as action or doing words. Now. You wake up. What will you do next?
I am going to brush my teeth. Then do some stretching or exercise. After that I'll go for bath. Then prayer or gratitude to God is equally important. Now feeling hungry, having some breakfast. After breakfast, off to school. Coming back from school. Doing my homework. Playing is also an important part of our life. After playing, watching television, then dinner. Before go to bed, I must say to spend time or chatting with parents is our responsibility. Then go to bed and sleep.
Any type of work, it may be physical or mental, is known as action word, doing word, or we also called verb. Great. Any type of work we can do is action words or doing words, and this is the best way to understand action words. See you in the next video.